And let's next like to bring up Ani. Ani, I can't pronounce her last name, but Ani is women in entertainment. So it gives you an idea of, in this age of social media and blogging and internet, it's one of those industries that's really growing. And here in Southern California, we're the heart of the entertainment industry. So a lot of our clients, this is an area that we're really excited to start into that we needed to address. Ani's going to give you an overview of her.
Hello everyone, and let me introduce WIE, Women in Entertainment. We empower women entrepreneurs and small businesses by providing them consultations, advocacy, and also technical education. And it's not limited to that. So please feel free to contact us. We also are as a hub for those for creators who want to be introduced to producers in terms of contracts and any other collaborations with bigger companies. Our program is designed for, but not limited to, actors, scriptwriters, designers, animators, producers, directors, and much more. We do have a lot of great webinars. We cover a lot of important topics. Feel free to reach out to Mariana Gravia or Women Women for our website. Thank you.
That was awesome. So it gives you an idea. You were trying very much to see what the needs are out there and staying on top of it, because we realize things like TikTok and Instagram is very important. It's a whole new territory, and you don't have to be in Hollywood. You can be all over, from the convenience of your own bedroom or living room, to be able to offer, get into the entertainment industry.
Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The champion's playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.